In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix a TV with lines on the screen. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present various different ways in which you can try to fix vertical or horizontal lines that you see on your TV screen. You can attempt these in order and see if any of them help your specific model of TV. So to start with the most basic fix, first try unplugging your TV from a power outlet. So unplug your TV after you turn it off from the power source. Give it a few minutes unplugged, and then after a couple of minutes, try plugging it back in and turning it on. Sometimes this can help resolve temporary glitches, and because it is so simple, I recommend doing this first before anything else. If this fails and you still see the lines, then the next thing to do is to check all of the connections. Ensure that all of the cables are thoroughly inserted. This includes stuff like HDMI. Primarily, you will be using an HDMI cable, and also you should check the power cable. So always check the connection of these cables. If they are somewhat loose on their connection, then you could be having problems. And it is recommended to always plug them all the way in. So plug them far in, and as long as you do it properly, you shouldn't see any more glitches or horizontal lines running through the screen. With this done, if it still does not work, even after you push on this connection, then you will have to go into more advanced fixes. First, try to address the issue. See if it is a problem with the panel. If the problem is indeed within the panel, then sadly there is not much that you can do. If the panel is broken, then it is going to come down to hardware fixes, and in those cases, it is best to just take it to a professional or sadly discard of this unit. If you believe that it is a software issue and you are able to navigate through the TV menus, then go over to the settings and see if you can perform some sort of update or get the firmware good to go again. As long as you update the TV to the latest firmware, you can fix any sort of temporary glitches or bugs. But if it is indeed a hardware problem and the panel is having issues, then sadly there is nothing else that I can recommend in this video. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix a TV with lines on the screen. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.